Samsung Galaxy A56 features a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution. It delivers vibrant colors and sharp details with a peak brightness of 1900 nits, ensuring visibility even under direct sunlight. The phone is just 7.4 millimeters thick, making it comfortable to hold. The camera lenses are now flush with the back panel, giving it a more refined look. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, the A56 is 37% faster than its predecessor, making multitasking smoother. Apps load quickly, and everyday performance is reliable. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The updated artificial intelligence processing enhances photos with better low-light performance and improves zoom transitions. Battery life is impressive, thanks to the 5,000 mAh battery. The highlight here is the 45-watt wired charging, which can charge up to 65% in just 30 minutes, with a full charge taking about 68 minutes. We finally have real-life battery numbers for the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and the results are shocking. A fellow YouTuber, TechTag, conducted a battery test to determine which phone offers the best endurance. He tested the Galaxy A56, A36, A55, A35, A54, and A34 under the same conditions. No SIM cards were used, only Wi-Fi was enabled. All devices have the same Wi-Fi network, volume level, and brightness settings. The test followed a structured routine. 1 hour of YouTube playback at 1080p resolution. 1 hour of gameplay. 30 minutes of browsing on Samsung's website. 1 hour of video recording. Repeated the same YouTube and gaming sessions. Another 30 minutes of browsing, 1 hour of 4K video recording at 30 FPS. This cycle continued until the phone started dying. Final battery test results: Galaxy A34, first to die at 9 hours 21 minutes. Galaxy A54 lasted slightly longer at 9 hours 27 minutes. Galaxy A35 reached 10 hours 5 minutes. Galaxy A36 held on for 10 hours 20 minutes. Galaxy A55 managed 10 hours 32 minutes. Galaxy A56, a clear winner lasting an impressive 11 hours 15 minutes. The Galaxy A56 5G officially outlasted all the other devices, proving its superior battery efficiency and real-world usage. All 6 phones in the test come with a 5,000 mAh battery, meaning the differences in endurance were due to software optimizations, chipset efficiency, and display power consumption rather than battery size itself. By the way, full video link is in description. Must check out. What do you think about these battery numbers? Comment below. The A56 runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, offering a refreshed interface and more customization options. Samsung has promised 6 major OS updates and 6 years of security patches, ensuring long-term software support. The Galaxy A56 is available in graphite gray, light gray, olive, and pink. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G offers a strong mix of design, performance, and long-term software support, making it a great mid-range option. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.